It is written in the Gospel of Matthew chapter 22, verse 35 to 38, and one of them, a scholar of the law, asked him to test him. "O teacher, which commandment in the Torah is the greatest?" He said to him, "The Lord your God with all your heart and love with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment." Deuteronomy chapter 6 verse 5. Here the Hebrew word for love is aheb. It primarily refers to love of the heart, love of the mind, and love of action, not love of emotion. This is the greatest love. It's not the love you just feel, but the love that commits, the love that commits, the love that says this is the right and good thing to do, regardless of how I feel. And that word is agapao in Greek. The word agapao means love of the intellect, love of purpose, love of the will or heart, as opposed to phileo, the love of the emotions or feelings, and eros, the love of the physical senses. In his evangelical statement, Mark states that the Lord also said, "Love the Lord your God with all your strength, that is, with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, and with all your strength." He speaks of all parts of existence. He covers all the words, and there are certainly some similar words among them. These words are used in different ways at different times in the Holy Scriptures.